Hi guys, diri na po ni magdagandagan guys. Kuwato yo.
15 more minutes.
Wala pa nag-abri guys. So here guys is the theme park. Wala may tao guys, kami ray tao. Ay tao po sila. So hi guys. Got the what's his name be? It's Lego. Lego and the Legoland. So we're going to swim first guys because the sun is so hot. So excited for the water park. So get ready with us for our water park. Where you wanna go? Welcome to Legoland Resort. Yeah. Ito lang namon ni karon ng pool guys. Laylaing tao. Wala pa sila nang abot. Welcome to Lego at Epsiland. So just feel the beat guys. Feel the beat and feel the heat. It's so heat. Feel the init guys. Hold. Sanora po siya. So musakay sa mianing kuan guys. Roller coaster. Slide that one. Not the scared one. Very right. Enough, right?
You come here before.
Dari na po may sa color green guys. Kaya nyo yan. Ginusto nyo yan. Pasaka dito sa taas guys.